Offering free dental service to veterans, Dr. Mark Shu from Aspen Dental, practice owner, joined us live to explain what's going on. What a great service. I want to go ahead and point right off the top, we're not talking about free screenings, but in fact free service and free services, and that's for veterans. Now, why veterans, Dr. Shu? Because you've done this before.
Yes. Last year, Aspen Dental launched the Healthy Mouth movement, and they produced the Healthy Mouth Mobile that has gone throughout the country, offering free services to those who are indigent. During that first year, we noticed that many of those folks that came were veterans. So this year, we decided to build on that momentum and offer free dental services on June 27th at our location in South Lebanon, as well as other locations throughout Ohio, to veterans.
Well, this is one of the first questions I asked when you first sat down during the commercial break, was that, is it just screenings? And you said no, it's far more than that.
Yes, maybe something so simple as routine fillings, but more commonly it's to get the patient out of pain, and oftentimes that requires extractions. Also, denture repairs are being done that day as well.
So essentially what you will do is, when you see the patient, you will find out what the major problem is, and you're going to take care of it right then and there.
Right. In addition to that, we'll provide some education as we look around the rest of the mouth to see what the other needs are.
You've done this before. You did this last year. What's the response been like?
It's been great. We count it an honor to provide this service again this year to our men and women who have given much to defend our country and to keep us free. We count it an honor to be able to give back to them.
I think it's great what you're doing as well. I want to kind of back off a little bit for the specific focus on veterans, but in fact, all of us as a whole, in taking care of our teeth, what are some of the most common problems you see amongst patients that neglect their teeth, their mouth?
We often see pain and infection. Some of that infection can be severe and can become life-threatening untreated. We also know that your dental needs today are going to be less expensive than they're going to be if we wait and not treat them, because dentistry is a little bit different. Most of the time the pain and infection doesn't hurt. By the time it does, usually the problem is advanced. So it's different from the rest of the body, where sometimes a sore arm will benefit from rest. A dental problem will get worse with time, and oftentimes the problem is too late and a tooth is lost.
You hear all different ways of recommendation as far as taking care of your teeth, but I would love to do a reminder for everyone. Do you recommend brush 3 times a day, floss once a day, and rinse once a day?
Absolutely.
Okay, so definitely do that. Any specific brand that you say would be best to use?
Any of the brands that have the ADA seal of approval on the back.
Look for that approval, and that's the best way to do it. Okay, here again are the details. It's happening this Saturday. Again, free service for veterans, Saturday, June 27th at these participating locations of Aspen Dental. But you do need to sign up, so you're going to want to call that number you see on your screen right there. Of course, we will put that on WDTN.com by the end of the evening in case you do miss it. You can visit it again online, but call this phone number and sign up right there. Thanks for coming up.